Hello, this is your girl Pam with Pamshairexpo. I bought a cop cam. Now, what I'm going to do is on this channel, I'm going to have a playlist of the As Seen on TV section because it's a lot of stuff that I did buy from the As Seen on TV section, but I always wanted one of the cop cams. But the thing about it is, like once you get it, it does not have any instructions. It comes like just with this, and you have the accessories, but at the same time, they don't tell you how to put it on. They don't tell you how to use it. They don't even tell you how to, turn this right here on. So it's more like you better figure it out once you get it. It was $40, but I looked all over YouTube. I looked all over the internet. I did not see a way. I did not see a video on anybody showing how to actually use the accessories or, even how to turn it on. What you can do is, what I do is I make sure that I charge it up with my laptop. With it being so small, it'll charge up in like an hour. I don't want too much juice coming from it, from the socket, coming from, me plugging it into the wall, with the adapter and all that or whatever. So I just use the little USB cable, and I, plug it up to the laptop and, let it charge, like in an hour. Okay, right here, as you can see, is where you plug it up to charge, and this is your storage device card. So you put that in there. What it does, it with the card only being 8 gigabytes, it only records for like 45 minutes. But what it does is it records on a loop. So you have to go and get one that's like 34 gigabytes or 32. If you want one that's bigger, where it will record for at least 2 hours. But what you have to do is, it came like with the little sticky thing. So you have to take that off, and you have to stick it on here. Once you do that, you take the other part off, and you get to put this on your dashboard. Now, this is my first time doing it. I don't know if it's gonna stick or not, so I'm doing this with y'all. You know what I'm saying? It looked like it should though. But also, I'm just gonna sit this down right here. But this clip right here, you use this to clip on the camera. So you clip it on like that. And for this, like I said, I didn't even know how to use it, but I was like, oh, okay. So you use this clip and you clip it on here. Because you can clip it on your clothes, or either you can clip it on here like that. But once you do that, you can just go ahead and just stick it on the dashboard. Hopefully you guys can see. But I'm just gonna stick it up there like that. I don't know whether or not you guys got the opportunity to see that. But yeah. So I put it up here like that. I mean, I don't know whether this is going to stick or not. If not, honey, I got some Gorilla Glue in the house, and I put that Gorilla Glue on now. You know what I'm saying? So, but you should be able to like adjust it, up or down or however. I'm just going to leave it like right there. Yeah, it don't look like it's really sticking for real. So what I'm going to do is get some Gorilla Glue and stick it on there or whatever. But, basically, and then you push the record. So what you have to do, even when you push the record, you have to hold it for a couple of seconds, and then it'll come on. It'll be, you can't see it because it's daytime, but there's a red light right here that's blinking, so that lets you know that it's on. But guys, that's the best that I can do on how to show you how to put it up there or whatever. But this was Pam with Pamshairexpo. I love you guys. Thanks for watching, and peace.